PGTRB heterocyclic compound part 2 is a part 2 video. Pyridine. Pyridine is the simplest and best non-heterocyclic compound. It is a toxic and may be carcinogenic. It's a cancer-producing chemical. It's a pyridine. So, on substituting H+, when pyridine is treated with H+, you will get a pKa value 5.5, which is more acidic. And when pyridine, instead of pyridine, if you reduce pyridine, if you remove 3 double bond from pyridine, you will get a pyridine. When pyridine here, the nitrogen is sp3 hybridized, you treat with the H+ ion, that is acid, you will get here the pKa value is 11.3, which is basic or less acidic. Basic or less acidic, which is more acidic. Okay. Tautomers of pyridine. Here you see this NaOH. When OH group is substituted at the second position, there is alpha position, alpha hydroxy pyridine. This hydrogen will come here, nth position. You will get 2 pyridone, double bond O. This is a C double bond O. C double bond O you will get. And again 4 hydroxy. Suppose this hydroxy is at the 4th position. You will get one ring reduced and you will get a C double bond O here and NH here. There is 4 pyridone. Suppose if you have a substitution of CH3 at the second position, you will get this one hydrogen. One hydrogen will come at nitrogen. You will get double bond CH2. If it is NH2, one H comes here and you will get double bond NH. Similarly, if you have SH, this hydrogen comes here, you will get double bond S. Okay, this is a simple tautomerism. Pyridine acts as a catalyst. When dimethyl amine is substituted at the 4th position, then this pyridine acts as a catalyst. Here you see this is a diketone. When treated with dimethyl amine pyridine at 4th position, you will get the product like this. This is the product. This reactant is converted into this product. It's a keto compound, ketoester. It's a ketoester. You will get a ketoester compound. Similarly, when benzene reacts with bromine and ROH, there was no halogenation reaction. Here, this pyridine, in presence of alcohol, there was no halogenation. Pyridine in presence of FeCl3, this is Friedel-Crafts halogenation, you will get bromine substituted at the nth position. Electrophilic, this pyridine shows both electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution reaction. First you will see electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of pyridine reaction, this electrophile attack at the lone pair of nitrogen atom ring, which increases the electron density withdrawing tendency. Electrophilic attack at second position, which was very less stable and shows only 2 resonance structure. Electrophilic position at 4th position, this is also a less stable one. Electrophilic attack at 3rd position shows 3 resonance structure. So we conclude that electrophilic substitution occurs at 3rd position in pyridine. If you treat nitrating mixture, this is called nitrating mixture. This is called nitrating mixture. that is nitric acid and sulfuric acid, and there was no reaction. In presence of acetyl chloride acylation reaction, in acylation reaction you will get a compound like this. This will also gives no reaction. And when pyridine treated at 300 degree, remember nitration of pyridine occurs at 300 degree Celsius, you will get a nitro group NO2, 3-nitro pyridine, 3-nitro pyridine, the position, third position. Similarly, when treated with H2SO4 and SO3, you will get pyridine 3 sulfonic acid. Pyridine 3 sulfonic acid. Suppose if there is an MEO, that is a methoxy group at position, fifth position, means it is a more activating group. This is a orthopara directing group, and you will get NO2 easily substituted at a third position. Similarly, if this is present, at the second position, now you will get at the third position. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction is similar to addition and elimination mechanism. Here first you will see the Chichi-Babin reaction. When sodium amide NaNH2 is treated with, in presence of ammonia, is when heated with the pyridine, you will get the substitution at the second position. NaNH2, this hydrogen will remove, you will get NH2, and next step 2-amino pyridine is the product. Suppose there was a chlorine at 1, 2, 3, 4th position, you will get a substitution at the 4th position. When treated with POCl3, you will get chlorine at the second position and RNH. In presence of POCl3 or SH, you will get at SR at 4th position. Reaction with peracid. Listen, this is a very important reaction. What happens? Reaction with peracid, that is perbenzoic acid, metachloroperbenzoic acid, or with hydrogen peroxide, because the lone pair of nitrogen atom in pyrrole will be delocalized in the ring, forming N oxide. Metachloroperbenzoic acid. So metachloroperbenzoic acid, you will get N oxide and give 4th position a nitro compound. So pyridine N oxide. Methyl at the second position, CH3 at the second position, treated with LDA. With methyl iodide, you will get this tautomerized, you will get ethyl, 2-ethyl pyridine. 2-ethyl pyridine. Suppose the Me was at 4th position. Similarly, if you treated with the LDA and this unsaturated bromide, you will get bromine will be eliminated, and this rearranges to give this product at the 4th position. What happens if you treated with the KMnO4? KMnO4 oxidation, you will get this is CH3 oxidized to CO2. This is a carboxylic acid. This is a nicotinic acid. And treatment with thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride you will get a chloro compound. And this chloro compound treated with ammonia, you will get NH2. Nicotinamide. This treated with KOH and Br2 is a Hoffman rearrangement. You will get NH2. CO will be eliminated. This CO will be eliminated, and you will get NH2. CONH2 becomes NH2. This on treatment with LDA, you will get a benzene. You will get a benzene. This is a 3-amino. This is 4-amino compound. What happens when pyridine treated with MCBA, that is metachloroperbenzoic acid in presence of AC2O? You will get the N oxide as usual. We know that N oxide will be formed, and OSE, that is acetylation. You will get the product like this, and a 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. A 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement will be formed, which gives here, this will be goes here, and you will get a 2-acyl pyridine. This is a Birch reduction. Sodium in liquid ammonia in presence of alcohol, you will get a Birch reduction. H2Ni, that is a ranitidine in presence of methyl iodide, excess Ag2O, you will get the 3 double bond will be reduced. This 3 double bond will be reduced. You will get pyrrolidine. This on isomerization, you will get 1,3-butadiene. Is a diene. Synthesis. How this pyridine was synthesis? By Hans synthesis. Here we treated with aldehyde with ammonia, ester, and rearrangement, you will get the compound. Similarly, diketone. When diketone is treated, you will get pyridine. Now we will go for indole. Indole, when benzene ring attached with the pyrrole ring, you will get indole. That is electrophilic attack at second position. So we will see electrophilic attack at second position include that electrophilic substitution occurs at third position. This is a Mannich reaction. HCO formaldehyde dimethylamine reacts with the indole to give the product at third position. NN dimethyl, 3NN dimethyl amine, indole. See this reaction of indole with POCl3 and water DMF, you will get 3 aldehyde. BOC is on acetic, this anhydride. This anhydride in presence of base, you will get NBOC. This on butyl lithium, you will get lithium at a second position. With KOH and CHCl3, this is a Riemann-Tiemann reaction. You will get a ring expansion. Already told that ring expansion, and you will get a chlorine substituted at a third position, 3-chloroquinoline. It is TMSCl, trimethyl sulfide chloride. On treatment with base, you will get TMS attached with the nitrogen. What happens here? One lithium bromide minus LiBr will be removed. You will get BBr2, direct BOC bond, excess of KOH, you will get the product like this. And Suzuki coupling, you will get the product like this. This is the product. Paranitrotoluene, and paranitrotoluene reacts with the sodium ethoxide. You will get a methyl is minus, and this on reaction gives zinc and acetic acid, and or treatment with reduction with tin HCl, you will get the compound like this. On ring closure, you will get the compound like this. This on decarboxylation as minus CO2, you will get indole. Next important synthesis is a Fischer-Indole synthesis. In Fischer-Indole synthesis, where your phenyl hydrazine is a phenyl hydrazine treated with acetone. Where 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement occurs on heating in presence of acid, you will get pyrrole as a compound. Next we will go for quinoline and isoquinoline. Now we will see quinoline and isoquinoline. Quinoline is a heterocyclic aromatic ring compound with the chemical formula C9H7N. It is a benzene ring attached with a pyridine ring. It's a benzene ring attached with the pyridine ring. Other name is called 1-benzopyridine. Hence it is called as benzopyridine. Benzo-B-pyridine, benzo-B-azine. The other name is called azanaphthalene, benzazine, benzopyridine, quinoline, chinolene, leucol, leucoline. These are the other names for quinoline. Quinoline is a colorless liquid with unpleasant odor with a boiling point 237 Celsius. It's miscible with water, ethanol and ether. It's distilled by steam distillation. Here you see the position is alpha position, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is a 4A. This was not counted. Alpha, beta, gamma. These are the positions here. All ring atoms in chlorine are sp2 hybridized. The nitrogen lone pair electron resides. This is also sp2 hybridized. This is also sp2 hybridized with a delocalized pi molecular orbital. Is obeys Huckel's rule, 4n+2 rule. Is aromatic. Is a resonance structure. Here you see the bond length and the bond angle varies. The bond length, see, so bond length is different. This C single bond C was different. Is a C double bond C, so 1.39. Is this C single bond C is 1.42. C N bond is 1.38. C double bond N, this is 1.33. So the bond length varies. Synthesis of quinoline is a scare-up synthesis. When aniline reacts with glycerol in presence of nitrobenzene sulfuric acid, you will get quinoline. Here, first step, glycerol with sulfuric acid, you will get acryaldehyde. You will get acryaldehyde. This acryaldehyde reacts with aniline to give the compound like this, and 3-phenylamino propane 1-ol. This compound reacts with the H2SO4 sulfuric acid. You will get 1,2-dihydroquinoline. This 1,2-dihydroquinoline on oxidation with nitrobenzene C6H5NO2, you will get quinoline. You will get quinoline. Chemical properties of quinoline. It's a heteroatom reaction, electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution, oxidation and reduction. Here you see heteroatom reaction. That is a reaction at a nitrogen center. If you treat quinoline with HCl, you will get NHCl. It's a salt. It forms a salt with a pKa value 4.9. It's acidic. CH3I. This CH3I, you will get a CH3 directly attached with the nitrogen. Here you see acylation. Sorry, electrophilic substitution occurs at the 5th and 8th position, whereas nucleophilic substitution occurs at second and 4th position. Treated with the HNO3 and H2SO4, 5 product and 8. 5-nitroquinoline, 8-nitroquinoline. With the sulfuric acid, you will get 8 quinoline 8 sulfonic acid. Which on treated with, again, if we raise the temperature from 220, you will get a 8 product, substitution at 8th position. When temperature is raised to 100 degree, 300 Celsius, you will get a position at 6th position. That is quinoline 6 sulfonic acid. Nucleophilic substitution reaction occurs at 2nd and 4th position. That's NaNH2. This is a Chichibabin reaction. The position you will get 2nd position. OH at 2nd position. 2-hydroxyquinoline, 2-aminoquinoline. oxidation and reduction, when reduced with sodium ammonia, liquid ammonia, you will get 1,2-dihydroquinoline. That is, one double bond was reduced. One double bond will be reduced, and if with a strong reducing agent ranitidine, you will get two double bond reduced. Is a trans decahydroquinoline. At a 200 degree ranitidine, you will get 1,2,3 tetrahydroquinoline. On oxidation with the KMnO4, you will get quinolinic acid. It's a dicarboxylic acid, quinolinic acid. With a peroxyacetic acid, you will get N-oxide, quinoline N-oxide. You will already seen this one. Basicity of quinoline and isoquinoline. Here you see, quinoline is stronger base than, isoquinoline is stronger base than quinoline. Why? Here in quinoline, the NH bond, the pKa value is 4.85. The lone pair of electron in nitrogen atom in quinoline are closest to benzene, and that gets involved with the p electron of benzene. Just kids play with the neighbor kid. But here in isoquinoline, it is not like this. It was far apart with benzene. So pKa value is 5.14. This is more acidic. This is less acidic. Biologically active compound, you see, in quinine is a quinoline nitrate. In chloroquine, it is quinone. In papaverine, you have isoquinoline. So isoquinoline, you see here the nitrogen at the second position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the numbering you see. It is called as 2-azanaphthalene, 2-benzanine. Isoquinoline is a colorless hygroscopic liquid at room temperature. Crystallizes it soluble in ethanol, acetone, carbon disulfide and other reagents. Its melting point is 24.6. Synthesis of isoquinoline is a Bichler-Napersky reaction. Here beta phenylethylamine is alpha, this is a beta. Beta phenylethylamine reacts with the acetyl chloride. You will get this H and this Cl will be removed. You will get a ring compound N-acyl phenylethylamine. If you treat it with P2O5, water molecule will be removed. That is this hydrogen and H2O was removed. You will get a ring compound, and treatment with the palladium in presence of hydrogen, you will get substituted isoquinoline. Chemical properties, there is nth position. Similar to quinoline, you add HCl, you will get isoquinoline chloride. Methyl iodide, methyl isoquinoline iodide. Substitution at nth position. Similarly, acetyl chloride. Reaction of electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution at 5th and 8th position. 5 nitro, 8 nitro. 5 nitro 90% and 8 nitro 10%. Isoquinoline 5-sulfonic acid with a concentrated sulfuric acid. Is a nucleophilic substitution reaction, is a Chichi-Babin reaction, occurs at first position. You remember, it occurs at first position, not at third position. 1-amino isoquinoline. Isoquinoline on reduction with hydrogen, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydro isoquinoline. With oxidation with the potassium permanganate, you will get a phthalic acid and a pyridine 3,4 dicarboxylic acid. So benzene plus pyridine gives 3 product, that is quinoline, isoquinoline, and acridine. So reactivity of quinoline and isoquinoline, I already told this one. This is quinoline, electrophile, Lewis acid as a catalyst. Here 51% is a 49%. Is a fifth position and is a eighth position. In isoquinoline is a 90%. Here you see classification of aromatic 6-membered ring. Here you see heterocyclic, we know pyridine. In pyridine, if you replace a nitrogen with oxygen, it is called beryllium. This is benzene. You know that this is benzene. In pyridine, you substitute one nitrogen adjacent to this nitrogen, it is called pyridazine. If you substitute the nitrogen at a third position, it is called pyrimidine. If you substitute this nitrogen at a fourth position, it is called pyrazine. It's a pyridiazine. Here, you take naphthalene. Now you take this series naphthalene. In naphthalene, if you substitute one nitrogen here, it is called quinoline. If you substitute the nitrogen at second position, it is called isoquinoline. You take 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring is a pyrrole. Suppose in pyrrole, if you substitute one nitrogen at third position, it is called imidazole. In pyrrole, if you substitute the nitrogen at a second position, that is adjacent to NH, is called pyrazole. In furan, that is oxygen as a heteroatom, if you substitute nitrogen at a third position, it is called oxazole. If you substitute this nitrogen at a second position, it is called isoxazole. In thiophene, if you substitute nitrogen at a third position, it is called thiazole. If you substitute nitrogen at second position, it is called isothiazole. This is benzene with pyrrole is called indole. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.